Nestled at the edge of a steep slope with sweeping mountain views and the serene Heidsee shoreline nearby, the Hotel Revier is more than a sports hotel, it's a retreat that captures the essence of freedom, simplicity, and modern luxury. Designed by Carlos Martinez Architekten, the hotel harmonizes the minimalist appeal of a mountain chalet with the functionality of a campervan and the spatial efficiency of a ship's cabin. The building's layout mirrors the natural shoreline, with its narrow, long form lightly angled to embrace the terrain. At the heart of the hotel lies a communal space, a lobby, bar, and restaurant that face the Rothorn cable car. It's a place where guests are invited to gather, relax, and prepare for a day of adventure. Beneath this shared area lies a solid foundation, housing winter sports and bicycle storage rooms, offering a robust space for the active guests who come to experience the alpine landscape. Step inside, and the design echoes a VW campervan, inspiring a sense of freedom and closeness to nature. Each room faces west, with a floor-to-ceiling panorama window and a wall-to-wall bed that invites relaxation and a breathtaking view of the lake. Despite being only 15 square meters, every inch is optimized. From the large heating elements for drying gear to the bed that easily converts into a sofa, the design is thoughtfully crafted to provide luxury without excess. Natural materials take center stage, unfinished plywood lines the floors, walls, and ceilings, acting as both structure and decor. The prefabricated modular design allowed for precise craftsmanship and a quick, efficient assembly on site. The exterior design complements the natural beauty of the landscape, with vertical metal slats giving a textured aesthetic to the building's base and untreated larch framing the upper floors, bringing a rugged, organic look to this modern structure. Design that values simplicity, functionality, and an authentic connection to nature, Hotel Revier redefines what a mountain getaway can be, where minimalist luxury meets the call of the great outdoors. Hotel Revier isn't just a place to stay, it's an experience of freedom, adventure, and the effortless elegance of modern design.